Hello guys! Today we are unboxing this brand new, almost brand new Philips Moda. It's a monitor, 4K UHD 27-inch monitor that I will need for my work because I have a new laptop for work which is 14-inch screen, and I need a bigger screen to view all the code that I'm writing. So let's start and unbox it. First we remove these parts here, and then we will get everything from this package. First some instructions, manual. Oh, this is not great, but assistant, can you help me with
Yes,
pulling this one? Pull the cardboard, pull it down, from the other side as well.
Hello, my name is
Cables.
Boom.
Shut up. Let's do it like that. Very unprofessional unboxing, I may say. Very unprofessional. This here is the stand. I will remove the plastic. Actually very high quality. We remove all the plastic. There's some labeling, TCO, something to put outside. This is the brick, the power brick for the monitor. It's heavy. Let's put it here. Oh, this is the metal stand. Oh, it's very cold to the touch because it's all metal. All metal. I didn't expect such high quality from Philips. Yes. Let's assemble this. There's a nice bolt here, nice screw that you can screw inside and tighten it like that. We have a USB cable. Actually, it's a USB-A cable with USB-C dongle, and this is the USB-C cable that I can use to power my MacBook from the monitor. This is the power cable for the brick. This goes here. Let's pull the little sucker from the papers, from the plastic wrap. Oh, it's very cold. It's still very cold because I just got it from the carrier. You can see that it's really cold. So first we will put this here like that to prevent damaging the matrix of the monitor, like that, and then I get this one and stick it just like that. There is this brick here that you can pull and attach the monitor. So yeah, it's very nice. We can remove that part, and this stand is, you can turn it like that, and I will explain what this monitor has. So on the back of the monitor we have two HDMI ports, one display port, one USB-C port. As you can see, this is the power input, and we have 4 USB ports. 2 of them are fast, 2 are not so fast, and the audio out. USB-C port can be used to power my MacBook and to transfer data to the USB ports that I can use. The monitor has speakers, but I don't know what quality they have. Here are the speakers on the bottom. We'll check them. This is the button that does everything. There's a menu function inside, there's a power on button. It works like a joystick, left, right, down, and I don't know how this will work. Will it be convenient or not? We'll see it. The monitor has portrait mode as well, so you just have to put the stand a little further like that, and then with one hand you can just rotate it and it goes to portrait mode. I don't know if it's smart enough to detect that it's on portrait mode inside macOS, but we'll see about that later. The stand is very sturdy. It looks thin, but it's very sturdy, and it's metal. Yeah, I like that. Actually, high quality materials. It's almost bezel-less, and yeah, it can go like that, like that. It can go up and down with one hand to almost to the floor of your desk, and it can go up. This is the maximum position, so you can put something below it if you want to see from above. Now I will bring my Mac to connect them and see how it works. So now we will connect the monitor to the power on the back, and then we will connect it to my MacBook like that. And now we'll unlock the MacBook and we'll see that the monitor is recognized. There are no displays for now. Maybe we have to turn it on from the bottom. Yep, it lights up here. Philips. Ah, there is it. Oh, that's much better than my previous monitor. Let's see the settings. This will be the main display. Let's see some maps. It automatically detected the scaling of this display, and the fonts are not very small. It automatically knows that this is a high quality 4K display, and we should try something else, like Safari, for example. What's in Safari? Let's go to Engadget, one of my favorite sites. Oh, it's very smooth. The colors are pretty good, and I'm looking from below here. Play it on YouTube.
Home. There's no place
No
like
ads. We don't want ads.
Nick Offerman, as I
4K. That's good. Did not download the 4K resolution yet. It's not playing in 4K, but it will soon cache everything, catch up, and play it. This is my hometown and the Tsarevets Fortress. The video is on my channel. If you want to see it, I will put a link on top of this video. So yeah. This is my 4K video of Tsarevets Fortress. I shot it with the DJI Mavic 3 drone, and I may say it looks very nice on the screen. It runs really smooth. see some text. We'll zoom here. This is how it looks. Zoomed in. The fonts are crisp and clear. Actually, we can zoom some more. You can see the pixels. This is zoomed in of the text, and I think it's pretty normal. The images are good. This is an image of the beach that I shot, Irakli beach, and this is the whole image. You can see some glare, but the sun is actually very bright today, and I'm not noticing it so much. It's seen on the camera. And if we zoom a bit, you can see how crisp the detail is, and if you zoom more, we can almost see the pixels of the screen. That's all for now.